How do fish breathe underwater? Fish have to breathe to stay alive, just as you do. But while you breathe oxygen from the air, fish take it from water. As they swim, fish gulp in water and push it out through slits called gills on their head. Oxygen passes from the water into the fish's blood inside their gills. Not all sea creatures can breathe underwater. Sea cows, seals, and dolphins breathe air, so they have to keep coming to the surface. How do fish swim? Fish swim by using their muscles to ripple their bodies along. Wiggling their tails from side to side gives them extra push. They use their other fins to balance and change direction. Which bird flies underwater? Penguins can't fly through the air because their wings are too short and stumpy. They are much more at home in the ocean, where they use their wings as flippers. Which animal is jet-propelled? Squid don't have flippers or a tail, but they're still fast movers. They suck in water into their bodies, then squirt it out so powerfully that their bodies shoot backwards. Squid have 10 tentacles. That's 2 more than their relative, the octopus. Seahorses are not strong swimmers. They hang on to seaweed to avoid being swept away.